Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. In today's video, we will show you that how can you buy or how can you subscribe to Snapchat Plus on your Snapchat application. Snapchat Plus is accessible or paid feature. By that you can get many of extra available features on your Snapchat application like wallpaper, chat wallpaper, and a badge, a verification Snapchat Plus badge on your Instagram that will make your account so premium in looking. You can also avail to the lot of dress, lot of shoes, and lot of avatar option on your mobile phone. So for this, what we have to do, click on Snapchat here like this. So what we have to do, click on Snapchat here, open your chat, click on the left top of screen, your profile. After that, scroll to the down and you will see let me just do that. There is no such option to subscribe to the Snapchat Plus, but I can click on the setting option on right top. Here you will see Snapchat Plus. Click on that, click on subscribe, and you can just choose your Snapchat plan, that is 49 per month. You can just click on the start my subscription option to start the subscription. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.